Okay, let's talk about something that happens to all of us. You know, you're deep in a project, you've got a dozen tabs open, everything is perfectly arranged, and then, poof, gone. Maybe you clicked the wrong thing, maybe the browser crashed, doesn't matter. Today, we're going to show you how to get all of that back, like, instantly.
You know that feeling, right? That split second where your mouse just slips, you hit that little X by mistake, and your whole world just vanishes. Your heart just sinks, your stomach drops. It's this very specific, very modern kind of panic.
And your brain immediately starts racing, thinking about all those articles you had open for research, the shopping cart you'd spent an hour filling, that one critical document you were just about to save. All of it just vaporized. The frustration is so real, and it can totally wreck your train of thought.
Look, this isn't just something that happens to you. It's a universal problem. We're calling it the vanishing tabs problem. It seriously happens to everyone. But the good news is, you don't have to just accept that feeling of panic anymore. There is a way out, and it's way simpler than you think.
That's right. What if I told you there was a secret command, kind of like a little bit of digital magic, that could undo that catastrophic click and bring your entire session right back from the dead? Well, there is, and you're about to learn it.
For the huge majority of you using browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, the solution isn't buried in some complicated menu. Nope. It's an elegant, super powerful, and incredibly easy to remember keyboard shortcut.
And here it is. This is the secret sauce. For anyone on Windows or Linux, it is Control plus Shift plus the letter T. Seriously, burn that into your brain. It's the three-key combo that turns absolute panic into pure relief. One more time. Control, Shift, T.
So, the next time disaster strikes, just stay calm. All you have to do is open a fresh, new browser window, press those three keys together, and just watch. Like magic, your window that you just closed with all of its tabs perfectly intact will just reappear. It is one of the most satisfying feelings, I swear.
Now, for all my Mac users out there, don't you worry, you are not being left out. The logic is exactly the same, it's just a slightly different key. For you, it's Command plus Shift plus T. Same incredible power, same wave of relief, just made for your keyboard.
Okay, but what about Firefox? If you're a Firefox user, the process is a little different. You don't get that keyboard shortcut, but the fix is just as quick and easy.
So once you've reopened Firefox, you're going to look for that menu button up in the top right corner. You know the one. It looks like three little horizontal lines. Give that a click, and you'll see an option right there in the menu that says Restore Previous Session. One click on that, and boom, you are right back in business.
So, let's just do a quick recap here. For Chrome and Edge, it's all about that powerhouse keyboard shortcut. For Firefox, it's just a quick trip to the menu to restore your session. Two super simple methods, same amazing result. Your tabs are back.
So why does all this matter? Well, because with this little piece of knowledge, you're taking back control. You're no longer a victim of a misplaced click. You can browse with total confidence, knowing that one tiny mistake isn't going to cost you your time and, let's be honest, your sanity.
I mean, think about it. This isn't just some cool tech tip. It's a genuine productivity tool. It saves you all that time you'd waste trying to remember and find every single tab again, and it completely wipes out the stress and frustration that comes with losing your work.
And that's really the big takeaway here. In a world that is just full of distractions, your focus is probably your most valuable asset. Protecting it is everything. This little trick is your shield, making sure that a simple, common accident can't shatter your concentration.
So, now that you've totally mastered how to bring your browser session back from the brink, what's the next tech mystery you want us to solve? Go ahead and drop your ideas in the comments. We're always looking for the next thing to explain.